Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will check if the given number is odd or even using pointers in C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of my tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h. In C, std means standard, IO means input output. So this library file is very important in every C program. And then I have here a function void check underscore add underscore even int pointer num. If statement pointer num bitwise ampersand 1, if it is true, it is an odd number, else it becomes an even number. We close the function with the right curly bracket. Int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C program. So what will happen here, every time that you run the program and terminate, the C compiler will search this function and execute. The same way when the program is being terminated or ended in terms of program execution. We have here left curly bracket int num, we have 11. So 11 is an odd number, no? So integer int pointer equals ampersand num, and then calling the function here check underscore add underscore even ptr, which refers to pointer, return 0, return to our operating system, and then the right curly bracket to close the main function of our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB to run the code. In this example, we have here 11. When I click the run button here in online GDB, what happened? Let us wait. Okay, 11 is odd number. So how about that we change this value to, let's say, 12, and then we click the run button. 12 is even number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on odd and even number using pointers in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.